Hello everyone. In this statement here, we would like to check whether at least 25% of the students in group Q performs better than all students in group P. So we try to look at the hints given in this statement. 25% will give you a hint to consider Q1 or the Q3. The word all or all student gives you a hint to consider the lowest or the highest score here. So back into our Boston whisker diagram on the top, we may try to look at our Q1 for group Q folks. Actually, it's exactly the same with our lowest score in group P, and that's the reason why we cannot make a conclusion because if the two value here is the same, some of them may overlap. We cannot use the word at least here because some of them may be equal. And instead of Q1, we will also consider a Q3. So for Q3 here, if we try to compare with the highest score for group P, we can see that all these students here that I highlight in blue color is actually better than the highest score in group P already. That's the reason why if we try to compare these two values, which is 85 and 83, we can conclude that all those students in blue color for group P performs better than that in group P. So let's try to drop down our explanation. So we'll say the highest score for group P is equal to 83, smaller than 85, which is the third quartile of group Q. Therefore, the CAM is agreed, or the CAM or the statement here is true. Because this one is a very common and typical exam question, I try to list out some common mistakes here. Some students will compare the two Q3, the two third quartile for the two groups here. If you compare the two Q3 only, we cannot tell precisely where is the 25%. Therefore, low marks will be given. Another common mistake is some students are quite lazy. They drop down two numbers only. Although the comparison here is correct, but I don't know what's the meaning of these two numbers. Once again, low marks will be given unless you tell me what's the meaning of each number. The last common mistake is about using of short form. Because you are asked to explain your answer, Q3 is not okay for the explanation. You have to tell me whether it's the first quartile or third quartile, or you may use the word upper quartile as well if you want, but you must put it in full form. So in the next set of logs, you'll see many similar questions in public exam in this question type.